Hey, how are you? Welcome back to my channel. My God, we're here, and yes, and I know, yes, you did see a got to be in my hand. This is the new trick that I have been doing lately. So I take my got to bleed and got to be, and I set my brows with that because my brows are like they're doing chakra these days. They are doing anyhow. I don't know why, but they are like I don't. So I set my brow with that, and then I go in with my pencil, my eyebrow pencil that I get from the 99-cent store. Or I get from Walmart for 99 cents, or the hair store for $1, because the hair store be trying to be tricking us. $1 plus tax, that's $1.07. I don't know why, but they do that. So I'm just gonna fill in my brow as much as possible, because my brows, they're like on this thing where they don't want to look the same half of the time. They just be like, yeah, just because we're on the same face don't mean we have to look the same. So that's what they be doing. So I be trying to fill it in as much as possible. But the thing is, putting that got to bleed beat. What the hell am I saying got to bleed for? Putting that got to be on is just easier for me to just see where my hair is and where my hair isn't, and where I need to draw that extra art and where I don't need to. And then I take my concealer that I got from MAC. I'm gonna be very sad if this goes. This was $21 freaking dollars. It's supposed to last me a lifetime, huh? But it's finishing now. It's like, because I've had it for almost like, yeah. But I'm gonna be so sad if this leaves me. But I'm just going and cleaning those brows. I know they don't look exactly the same, but they are, like I said, just because they're on the same face don't mean they gotta look the same. Because the way I've been cleaning them up, it's just been ruining my brows, and I've been sleeping on them, so they're it's a whole mess. It's a whole mess. So yeah, like I feel like this has nothing to do with my brows. What I'm talking about, I'm just renting. I'm really just renting, but I'm just I'm cleaning it so I don't look like one of those people, who be having white stuff around the eyebrows. I don't like that. And then I'm just gonna put highlights, and I think I use the Revolution highlight on these. So yeah, that's how I do my uneven brows. You feel me? I'm gonna have a better tutorial of when I have like good eyebrow days, because I do be having good eyebrow days. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will catch y'all later. Okay, I'm done talking. See ya. Bye. I'm feeling myself. Okay, deuces. Come a little closer.